Hi everyone. When you're sharing a link on social media, less is more. Shorter links have better click-through rates and save space for more caption content, but using a separate link shortener tool can become tedious. That's why Simplified has added a URL shortener right into the content calendar. Shrinking your link is as simple as checking a box. First, you'll want to go to the account settings, found by clicking these three dots here, and then making sure that the Shortlinks enabled box is checked. Save your settings, and now when you enter a URL into one of your social posts, the link will automatically be shortened once it's posted. If you plan on having a paid subscription plan on Simplified, you'll even have access to UTM link tracking too. Now I'm going to show you how to use this amazing feature in action by scheduling a Twitter post using our social tips feature. Today, I'm going to create a post for Stress Awareness Month. Select Get Template, and from here, choose from one of Simplified's eye-catching, professionally designed templates. In the upper right-hand corner, go ahead and select this icon, Export Now, and then filling in my caption. Being sure to include my link to my video as well. I'm going to make sure my Twitter icon is highlighted, and now I'm going to click Publish Now. Back on our calendar, I can see my post, and I'm going to select these three dots, and then click Open. Now on my Twitter feed, I can see the post has included an automatically shortened link so that my followers have easy access to my content. You can even go back to your content calendar, select these three dots again, and then click Share Link to copy your shortened link. And there you go! Simplified does all the heavy lifting and gives you all the tools you need for success. To use our link shortener, content calendar, and more, sign up on simplified.co. See you there!